Jingle ball, jingle bell. I was gonna say bell. Welcome back to another Celebrity Sweets. I'm Ethan. And in today's video we are continuing with our holiday themed treats. One of the biggest events in music this holiday season is Jingle Ball. And basically it's a concert where a bunch of different artists come together and there's oftentimes surprises and they just play a bunch of different shows in a bunch of different cities. So today we're going to be taking some inspiration from Jingle Ball itself and make some fun and festive surprise inside chocolate ornaments that when you shake it, it jingles and it resembles the shape of a ball. The ingredients for this recipe are 1.5 cups of white candy melts, 1 cup of red candy melts, 1 cup of green candy melts, and then whatever you'd like to fill your ornaments with. I have red and green chocolate chips, some chocolate covered candies, cinnamon pearls, peppermint bits, sprinkles, and then for the top of our ornament I've taken a marshmallow, cut it in half, and painted it with some luster dust. You'll also need a silicone mold. I found this one on Amazon, and I'll put a link in the description below if you'd like to get this one too. The first thing we're going to do is to fill the cavity for our ornaments. Now you can choose any color candy melts that you'd like. Again, I just chose white, red, and green just to fit with this festive theme. But what I've done is taken our white candy melts, and we're going to make one ornament white, and I've melted them down and put them into a liquid measuring cup just because it'll be a lot easier to pour. What you want to do is pour the candy melts into the cavity, rotate the cavity until the candy melts cover it completely, and then drizzle off any excess. We've lined 2 of our cavities with our white candy melts. Remember, an ornament's a sphere, so you're going to need 2. And now before we can add the other colors, we want to let these ones set up and harden just for about 5 minutes. Now you want to repeat this process with your red and green candy melts, filling them, drizzling out any of the excess, and letting them sit before you add the next color. We filled all of our candy molds, and now it is time to demold them. You want to make sure that they're completely hardened. To demold these, simply just pull away the edges from the spheres, carefully removing them, and then push out the bottom to release them. Our candy melt ornaments are completely demolded, but sometimes when you take out the ornaments, they kind of have this jaggedy edge around the top. So we're going to fix that right now. Over here I've got red, white, and green, or half of our spheres. And over here I've got a small pan that I just heated up on the stove. Now what you want to do is take one of your candy melts, bottom side down, move it around on the pan until the bottom is completely smooth. Then flip it over and put it back on your cutting board. So the lip around our candy melts is completely smooth, and now is the fun part. We get to add in all of our fun sprinkles and surprises inside our candy melt shell. Just pile 1/2 of the ornament all the way up, overflowing on the top. I set our ornaments that we filled with candies off to the side, and now we're going to repeat the process of smoothing the lip on the other half of the ornaments. This will also act as an adhesive to secure the 2 sides of the ornaments together. Once you've smoothed the lip of the other half of your ornaments, carefully seal together the ornament with its matching color, or you can mix and match whatever you'd like. So our surprise inside ornaments are almost done. We've completely sealed them and enclosed the candies, but an ornament needs that little, I don't even know what you call it, hook? It's not really a hook. Loop? The thing on top of the ornament that attaches it to the tree. And to do this, I've taken some marshmallows and covered them in silver luster dust, and now we're just going to add these to the top of our ornaments. And here we have them, our surprise inside Jingle Ball inspired ornaments that we made today. Like I said, they jingle, and they are a ball. These are the perfect treat to let your creativity show. You can totally decorate them, you can add whatever candies you'd like to the inside, and whatever candy color you'd like to the outside of your ornament. We kept it pretty simple using just the basic holiday colors, green, white, and red. But you can totally choose whatever you'd like. If you do happen to make these, please share them with me on Instagram and Twitter. Also, if you have any other requests for another Celebrity Sweets, please leave it down in the comments below. Until next time, savor life and make it sweet. And just like regular glass ornaments, if you drop them, they break. Thanks for watching today's video. I hope you enjoyed. If you did, let me know by clicking that like button right down there. And while you're at it, subscribe. You can click the red subscribe button next to the channel name. or hit this cute little donut right over here. Also, when subscribing, don't forget to ring the bell so that you never miss an update. And over here is my newest video where we made a cozy little Christmas inspired cake. And down here is what YouTube thinks that you should watch. That's all for today. I will see you next Thursday.